Hi everyone, in this video let's talk about Hypersmooth stabilization of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you guys see, I'm jogging as fast as I possibly can, and this is the electronic image stabilization of the latest GoPro. Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomasz Nowacki and I'm making videos about GoPro, some tutorials, tips and everything basically connected with GoPro. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing. Alright, so in today's video we're gonna take a look at the Hypersmooth stabilization of the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I'm going to compare it with and without the stabilization, as well as with the camera grip. Alright, so let's take a look. let's summarize it all. I think that Hypersmooth stabilization is an awesome, amazing electronic image stabilization. I think that's the best one currently that's on the market. However, it's never gonna be as smooth as a gimbal, mainly because these are two major differences between a mechanical and electronic image stabilization. Electronic image stabilization actually tries to crop in 10% of the image, whereas gimbal, you know, there are some the mechanical parts that trying to stabilize it. The horizon level always gonna be steady, so no matter how you move your camera, the horizon always gonna be perfectly lined. And in case of a Hypersmooth stabilization, yeah, you're gonna have a perfectly smooth image, but the horizon level, for example, gonna be a little bit turned, and you have to fix it in post. But sometimes you simply cannot fix it in post, and this is actually the biggest drawback when it comes to this stabilization. Overall, if you are going to use it in activities like, for example, kayaking, I recently did some kayaking and it really turned out really good. Yeah, as I previously said, the biggest problem is with the horizon level. So when you're gonna do some activities which are not gonna require too much walking or jogging, you know, you're gonna have this bounce up and down movement, and no matter whether you're gonna use gimbal or Hypersmooth, they're still gonna be slightly noticeable in those activities. But on the other hand, if you are going to use something like driving or maybe riding a bike, this is a really amazing solution for everyone. And I think majority of GoPro users, maybe 80%, probably don't need a gimbal anymore. In most of the cases, they're gonna use Hypersmooth from Hero 7 Black. Alright, so if you liked my content, please consider subscribing, and as always guys, see you in the next one.